The Lairai Devi Jatra, commonly known as Shirgaonchi Jatra, is one of the most famous jatras celebrated in Goa. Shirgaon is a small town in Bicholim Taluka. The jatra takes place in the early part of May when thousands of devotees of Devi Lairai move to this small town. In the years gone by, the jatra will take place over a period of 5 or 6 days. However, in recent times, one day celebration has been the norm. The festival begins early in the morning and continues throughout the day. Men and a few women, who are locally known as dhons, participate. They take a ritual bath in a special water tanks located near the temple. Before coming to the temple, they undergo a period of fast, which usually lasts for about 5 days before starting off this utsav. The devotees then walk all the way uphill to the temple as an act of endurance and worship to the goddess. Most of the dhons wear a peculiar type of dhoti, specially for the festival: a white t-shirt, a colorful cape around the shoulders, a scarf-like cloth around the waist. Special flower garlands made from jasmine and other local flowers are worn by the devotees around their neck. A special stick, about 6 feet long, made from twisted vines, is carried by the worshippers throughout the rituals of the day. The sticks are made by the devotees themselves and decorated with colored yarn, which symbolizes the flowers used in the festival of previous year. Late into the night, the devotees perform a dance inside the temple, which is all lit up for the occasion. The dancing takes place to the rhythm of drum beats in a tight circle in front of Goddess Lairai. While chanting and moving in a tight circle, the devotees hold the special stick, clashing them against one another, saying loudly Har Har Mahadev and Sri Lairai Devi Ki Jai. The dance sessions are around midnight. The final and most spectacular part of the jatra then begins when a specially chosen person races from the temple to the wooden pile and lights up a massive bonfire with a blazing torch. The chanting and dancing then continues around the massive bonfire with the devotees touching the holy fire with their stick. The devotees believe that more closer one comes to the fire, more devotion and courage is demonstrated. In the early hours of morning, when the fire has died down, the raking of the coal begins. The devotees await their turn to walk on the holy path of hot coal. Around 4 am, the actual ritual starts, with the devotees running through the hot coals carrying their sticks and shouting the name of Devi Lairai. As the crowd watches in a stunned silence, some of the devotees do the hot run once others do it several times. Those who have finished their run then remove and throw their flower garlands onto a nearby banyan tree and return home. The Jatra reaches its conclusion as the sun rises in the distant hill.